In this session, we will see Simple Machines Part 2. Let us start with the wedge. Two planes meet at edge to form a wedge. It can be a single inclined plane or made up of two inclined planes. We can see this in the figure. Wedge is used to make two parts of a log. The edge of the wedge can split things apart. That is shown in the figure. Hammer is used to apply force on a flat surface of the wedge. Wedge converts this applied force gradually into force perpendicular to its inclined plane. We can see the same thing in a second figure, where the blue arrow shows the direction of applied force, whereas white arrows show the direction of a force applied on a block due to the inclined plane. These two forces are perpendicular to each other. That's why wedge converts the applied force gradually into perpendicular to its inclined plane. Some examples of wedges. Knife is an example. Again, axe is another example of a wedge. Let us see what is a wheel and axle assembly. Wheel and axle assembly consists of wheel of a larger radius locked to a comparatively smaller radius shaft or axle. We can see the wheel axle assembly in the figure. These two parts rotate together, in which force is transformed from one to other. That is, when the wheel is turned, it forces the axle to turn, or if axle is turned, the wheel also turns. This assembly is used in cars, trucks. Some day-to-day life examples of wheel and axle. A doorknob. The knob is a wheel and the rod attached to the knob is the axle. Bicycle is another example of wheel and axle system. In the wheels of a bicycle, the wheel and axle system is used. Let us see what is a pulley. A pulley is again wheel and axle system with a rope. Rope is wrapped around the wheel in a groove. It helps us to move object easily, rather to pull the object easily. Let us see the video. It will illustrate us some examples of a pulley.
Oh, what is this wheel?
Oh, that one? On which the rope is moving?
Yes.
This is called a pulley. It helps to pull out water easily.
But how?
Let me show you.
Let me pull it. This is so difficult.
Oh, now try to pull this bucket.
Oh, it is easy to pull.
So, in this session, we have seen wedge, wheel and axle assembly and the pulley. Thank you.